Another great question, and I love this. But my thing is the thing that I've learned in business. If you study it long enough, the the companies that are being talked about as being the leaders in quantum are too small to really have the lead. I like a couple of those companies, but the market caps are too little. The R&D department is too small. Usually, when you have a big wave of innovation, like quantum, probably will be the most important innovation in our lifetimes for sure. Um, it's not going to be led by a small company. Same as I said with crypto. Like if crypto is this important, I said this 2 or 3 years ago. Every company, every major bank is going to find a way to take it over if it's really that valuable. I don't think IONQ is going to lead the quantum revolution. If Google, I don't know who Google pissed off for them to make them want to spin off Chrome and a bunch of other assets, but y'all better go talk to the Department of Justice, whoever you need to, and maybe quantum can be your way back in to get the stock where it needs to be. But I think it's going to be a big four, a big five player that ultimately ends up dominating quantum. Like you think they're building all this infrastructure and moving Taiwan Semiconductor to Arizona to let a middle of the road publicly traded company dominate a sector that's the most important on earth?
Yeah, they
I
the
don't, I don't think so.
yeah, a middle tier company won't even be able to afford to do it. So
Absolutely.
it's going to have to be one of the mega companies to do it.
In
I mean,
tandem with some countries, right? Probably.
right? How far away do you think we are in terms of quantum? Right? If we're right now we're talking about GPUs like and energy data
Yeah.
centers. How far away are we from
Maybe 10
quantum?
years
Right?
at scale, maybe 10.
Because
There's some companies now that are like vested, don't get me wrong, but like at scale, probably 10 years.
it makes me think of sometimes when you're investing, are we too early? Right.
That's a
So
great point. Yep.
if this is quantum, is it comparable to 2010 and now this company called Tesla has now IPO'd, but everybody's really not ready for EVs yet.
Yeah.
And in 2017, 2018, we start to see that uptick. We start to see this climb that now everybody knows Tesla to be. But for that 6 year span, were we
Unless you
ready
were a
for it?
diehard believer, yep.
Right. Similar.
You can be too early. You can be too now unless you have some information that is maybe inside information but is legal. Great. Maybe you work at the company and you know something that they have a partnership with Switzerland and China. Da, da, da. Okay, maybe. And if you want to hold for a 6 or 7 year period, great. But yeah, I don't think a smaller company is going to lead this revolution. It's too important. Like, and it's going to change cybersecurity forever. Like at scale, once these quantum computer companies finally come out. So
Yeah.
yeah,
I would be
it's
looking at
going to be
the
a while.
if we're too early, I would look around the infrastructure that is creating it. All right. So where is this happening? Where are they creating the infrastructure to build it? Who's involved in it? What energy is going to be needed to do it? Those are the things I would look at prior to saying like this is the company that's going to be the one that
Yeah,
leads it
yeah. Microsoft to find a way to get their hands in it.
for
They're doing
sure.
a Michael Taylor too with OpenAI. They find a way to get their hands in the next big thing without investing all of their resources to have to build it, which is really smart.
Hmm.
They'll be a big player in quantum as well
Yeah.
too.
It's like Amazon's doing now. If you look,
Absolutely.
another 4 billion inside Anthropic. Another they just keep
Well
adding more money to it.
diversified.
Yep.
Yes. Keep adding on to it. And also too, like I was talking about quantum a couple years ago. Um, very promising, but when quantum takes off, you won't not be able to hear about it. 60 Minutes will talk about it, CNBC, MSNBC, us, Deadpool versus Wolverine 2 will talk about like you won't be able to escape it. It's too early right now. It's
That's
too
right.
early.
And speaking about too early, do remember Market Mondays bundle, first time ever. This is our Black Friday offer that is open right now. 48
Yes.
hours only. Uh, this includes something that we've never done before: lifetime access to Stock Club, lifetime access to EY University, lifetime access, VIP access to InvestFest, in person mastermind with all of
Hmm.
us in Atlanta, Georgia, with special guests X. will be in the building January 31st to February 1st. Small group, very hands-on learning, Q&A, fellowship. Never done a mastermind before, ever.
Yep.
And this is all bundled together. Limited time, limited amount of people. For sure. We have
Yes.
tickets to InvestFest, so there's only a limited amount of seats that we can actually bundle on this situation. Marketmondaysdeal.com. Very easy to remember. Market Mondays, like the show, deal.com. Once this goes away, once this actually fills up with the number, it's over. It's
over with.
never coming back ever again. Never.
Y'all
Never.
keep asking, yo, when the next meetup? Voila.
Yep, for sure. We haven't done an in-person event in a year. Probably won't do one again for years to come. So first event for 2 years. Only mastermind ever. Networking soiree Friday, all day education Saturday. Very limited amount of people. So this is going to be like being in a classroom, pretty much.
Bro,
it's gonna be a fun time. Gonna break down some stuff about LLMs, AI, trading, of course, how to integrate that in together. I may even talk about some dispersion models I've been working on and how to import data and then see where trades are being executed at. And so get your tickets. Don't miss out because we're not doing the tour next year. Rashad just told for years to come. Maybe Mars. Elon, what's up, my boy? Hey, I told y'all last year's price, not this year's price. Tough.
Cooking.
It's tough. Gotta elevate.